Hello and welcome to a quick demo of the Beaver Builder framework being utilized with the new Gutenberg editor for WordPress. My name is James Barrett. I have a company called Inflexa Solutions, which is a technology consulting company based in the north of America. And I just wanted to share how I use Beaver Builder and Gutenberg together, and why I'm excited about it rolling into core, and why I think my clients are really going to like it. So this is my business website, pretty basic Beaver Builder page builder. I'm using a Beaver Themer footer here. I have a Beaver Themer controlling my blog posts here. So this is actually a Gutenberg blog post being controlled by Themer. So this is my first attempt at using Gutenberg, which was a couple of months ago. So I wanted to just kind of jump in, and for those of you who haven't seen the new editor, show you how it all works. So I have Gutenberg installed, and I'm going to come over to my posts, and you can see that post that is created with Gutenberg has the Gutenberg tag on it. These are my old non-Gutenberg tasks. Right now, if you have the Gutenberg installed, it gives you the option between the Gutenberg or the classic editor. In this case, I'm going to hit Gutenberg. And this is it. This is the Gutenberg editor. Start with a nice blank page, and I am going to copy this over because you do not want to sit and watch me type. So this is my title, and then this is my content. And the nice thing about this is you can just dump it all in, and Gutenberg will break it all up into its own paragraph break. So if you're just doing a normal blog post, at this point you can just hit publish and you're done. But since we want to make this look pretty, and this is why I like Gutenberg and why I'm excited about it, for example, I want to grab this, Control X, I'm going to come up here, I want to add a new block, so you can see there's a little plus. You've got a few quick links over here. I'm going to add a drop quote from Wikipedia. Okay, perfect. I want to get the citation here, and I want to add the citation here. Delete that. So this, of course, is an article I wrote about why the PHP version why the PHP version you have installed matters. So let's see here. I want to add another block, so I press plus there. And then if the block you want isn't one of these quick ones, you can come over here and select I quite like the cover image, and it's nice you can upload right from here, or select from media library. Let's grab a nice pretty image and add that, and then let's add a title which I had previously prepared over here. Go. So this is just a nice cover. You can put text over it. It looks really nice. I like it a lot. Something that I was certainly longing for. I build a few blog posts a week for clients, and using the current Tiny MCE Classic editor is just very frustrating to me, so I'm super excited about this. So let's see here. I want to add some example images here, so I'm going to come in, I'm going to select a gallery. I have prepared these already, so let's see. I want to grab these two, create a new gallery. I'm going to insert the gallery. On the right hand side here you have your options, so in this case I want to link to the media file. I'm going to hit OK. So now that's been added. And then I want to add another gallery with my second example down here. So click on the gallery link, upload media. I'm going to grab this one, create new gallery, insert into gallery again, linking to the media file. I want to make this into an actual link, so I'm going to remove this, hit add a link, paste the URL, enter, there we go. Add a little bit more, let's see here. I'm going to make that bold, let's say that. So that's pretty much it. On the right hand side here you have like the block settings, and then if you come back to the more global, I want to grab my featured image here, which is this one. I'll hit select, and yeah, that's about it. That's building a Gutenberg blog post. I'm going to hit publish. Yes, I am ready to publish. So then if I come back over, I'm logged out over here, go back to home. Here's my latest thing. And then you can see here, ooh, that looks terrible. I should definitely change that out, but that's not Gutenberg's fault. But here is my WordPress blog post being styled by Beaver Themer. I like this image. It's all nice and mobile responsive, so it tucks down nicely. I got my images here. So again, I can make these larger. Lightbox for the images. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Overall, I mean, it's still pre-release software, but overall I've been really impressed with it. I'm excited. It gives, for someone who builds blog posts for clients, using this is just makes my job a lot easier. I know my clients are going to be excited about it because they like the idea of dragging and dropping, being able to add things, and the extensions that are coming to this to give more functionality to it is cool. It's definitely not like as heavy duty as Beaver Builder is, which is good. It's kind of a nice, it feels like an evolutionary step in the whole editing process. It feels very light and friendly, and I'm a pretty big fan of it. That having been said, there's only one weird thing I've seen, which is on the pages. Any pages you edit after the Gutenberg editors installs, it says Gutenberg on it, even though it's not a Gutenberg post. I assume that this will get worked out as everything gets released and finalized. But this is of course a Beaver Builder page, and yeah, it's being all done by the familiar Beaver Builder interface we all know and love. So that's just a little bit of a nuance. It's kind of why I haven't rolled it out to my clients yet, but I've been testing it and I'm excited to, and I've told them it's coming. But it's just clearly there's some integrations to be worked out, and I don't want to put that burden on my clients. But once it does roll out, I will be rolling it out to them and selling it as a feature because it adds a really nice interface for creating blog posts. So that's about all I have to say for that. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, but if not, thanks for watching.